Hello everyone. Today we solve this type of problem. How to solve it? Let's check. Solution. K plus 7 whole square is equal to 64. We solve it in three methods. How to solve it? Method 1. K plus 7 whole square is equal to 64. By squaring on both sides, a plus b whole square. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes, we apply here. K square plus 2 into k into 7 plus 7 square is equal to 64. K square plus 14k plus 49 is equal to 64. Then k square plus 14k plus 49, here we move, then minus 64 is equal to 0. K square plus 14k minus 15 is equal to 0. Then we split the middle term. Plus 15k minus k, it is 14k plus 15 into minus 1, it is minus 15. We split this. K square plus 15k minus k minus 15 is equal to 0. We take it k common, then k plus 15 minus 1, then k plus 15 is equal to 0. K minus 1, k plus 15 is equal to 0. Then k minus 1 is equal to 0. K plus 15 is equal to 0. Then k is equal to 1. K is equal to minus 15. Yes, we'll be solve it in method 1. Next it is method 2. K plus 7 whole square is equal to 64. Move to 64. K plus 7 whole square minus 64 is equal to 0. K plus 7 whole square minus 8 square is equal to 0. It is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Yes, then k plus 7 plus 8 and k plus 7 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then k plus 15, k minus 1 is equal to 0. Then k plus 15 is equal to 0. Another one is k minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes. Then 15 we move, minus 1 will be moved. Then k is equal to minus 15 and k is equal to 1. This is the method number 2. Same answer but different method you solve these problems. Then method 3. K plus 7 whole square is equal to 64. Then square root on both sides. Then square and square root is cancelled. K plus 7 is equal to 8 square is 64 root over. Same thing, square and square root is cancelled. K plus 7 is equal to 8 plus minus 8. Yes, then k plus 7 is equal to plus 8 and k plus 7 is equal to minus 8. Okay. Then 7 will be moved. K is equal to 8 minus 7. K is equal to minus 8 minus 7. Then the value of K is equal to 1 here. And K is equal to minus 15. Minus 8 minus 7, it is minus 15. Yes. Then the value of K in method 1 is 1 and 50 minus 15. Method 2 is also 1 and minus 15. Method 3 is also 1 and minus 15. Yes. Then what is that the value of K? The value of K is 1 and minus 15. Yes, this is the 2 answer. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of interesting video. Thank you.